Hi folks, Deanie Hamilton from Leather Care Specialist here. I thought I'd share with you a project I just finished. I just replaced the pocket on this G-1 flight jacket. This is the old one, and it had a hole in it and someone patched it. So we took that off, and it's a double pocket. Had to be lined and find a snap that worked with this old jacket. Sew everything through a hole in the lining, so it's kind of hard to do. It might not be perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. I only had a piece of dark brown goat skin. The texture is right, it had to be goat skin, but it's a little stiff. I think it'll soften up as he wears it and uses it. And I think I had to dye it, of course, because it was too dark, and I think it came out pretty good, and I think the customer's going to be happy. Yeah, if anybody has an old goatskin jacket that they'd like to sell for scrap, I'd be interested to buy it from you. And anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.